3, 2, 1.
17!
Babalik at babalik sa 17! Love namin tong game to. It's called Mind Meld.
Bagong-bago.
Bagong-bago, pero kasi ang saya ngayon kasi magkakasama kami
Yes,
tatlo.
correct.
So we wanna know kung sino ang magma-mind meld
Okay.
this episode.
Sinong may Kemi?
Sinong may Kim?
Hala! Stress!
Kasi si Kim Son Ho tsaka si Go
Yun
Yun
Jong.
unfortunately lacked some chemi.
Mm.
Okay. So ang mangyayari, one
Hindi
round
kasi
lang
nila
naman.
nilaro to eh.
Dapat talaga nag-mind meld sila buong araw.
Oo.
In many different languages.
What's correct? Okay, so the word is opera.
Opera!
Okay. In 3, 2, 1.
Italy.
Kemi,
that's
grabe yung
chemistry.
Kemi nila, in fairness. Grabe. Okay, ang word is four-leaf clover.
Wow.
Okay.
Four-leaf clover. Four-leaf clover.
Hindi na po siya nagbe-blink. Threat na siya.
Four-leaf clover as a threat. Four-leaf clover.
Paano yung mga distress signal? Okay.
Okay.
And
Four-leaf clover.
in 3. Simplihan mo lang
Oh,
yun,
simple lang to.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Grass.
Ah,
Shit.
Okay.
Yung lockdown.
Okay. And in 3, 2, 1, go.
Green.
Oh, this friendship.
How fun is it to know na after 20 years,
Same utak.
Same utak tayo. No? 3, 2, 1, papago.
Papago. Okay.
Papago.
Okay.
Okay. 3,
Oh, no.
2, 1, and
Korean.
reverse.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
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 Right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Idol.
Oh!
I mean,
Lapit
okay,
na.
okay,
Lapit
okay.
na. 3, 2, 1.
17!
Babalik at babalik sa 17!